And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here the PhD notification is released from the University of Madras. The total 74 departments are announcing the PhD vacancies, and it is the official web page of this one. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So after opening this link here, you can check down the PhD online application for July 2020 session. So click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page, which is completely regarding the PhD admission details. And coming to the circular, so it is a circular of the PhD admissions. The starting date is 23rd July 2020 and the closing date is the 22nd August 2020. And few instructions are given here. Hard copy of the application should be submitted to the respective university departments or affiliated colleges on or before 22 August 2020. And the supervisor's details should be furnished through online by using the candidate's application number and DOB as per the user ID and password. And coming to the PhD research programs of the University of Departments, here it is given the name of the departments and fields of PhD research, either for the full-time and for the part-time. So you can check in the table that the total 74 departments are there. So out of maximum, almost all the departments are covered in this one. So the candidates who belongs to these departments, so if you're having the post-graduation qualification with UGCNET or without UGCNET, so you may apply to this one. So for more details, whatever the link I am providing in the description box, you just click on that one, then check all the complete details. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And to get more notifications like this, subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you. The candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UGCNET exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UGCNET Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan.